I'm okay. I'm good. Ah! Okay. Well, stop interrupting me. All right. Okay. Well, hello everybody. My name's Dark Fox, and welcome back to Goosebumps, Night of Scares. All right. Now we're gonna begin the 4th chapter of this story. Let's get into it. Okay. Oh god, clown. 8 pages upstairs and downstairs. There's a basement. There's a basement. Oh, I didn't know there was like there's a I never noticed that there was a map of where the location of all the pages. All right. Oh, all right. Okay. I'm not going to listen.
You must be cuckoo to think you can ever escape. I have all the time in the world to scare you.
Maybe, but I will listen.
There must be more clues somewhere in this house. Don't give up, Twist. Okay. I can't take much more of this.
Well, me and you both, buddy. Oh, where's the light? Where's the light? Where's the light? Hopefully there's not a new monster.
Don't stay in one place too long.
Dog!
Otherwise, Fifi will start barking.
Oh, no. Fifi. No, okay. I'm good. Fifi is good. Where's that? Wait. Where's it good? Oh, hello. Okay, alright. That's 1 page. 1 page. 1 page out of 8. Okay, that's the only one in here. No. Where are you gonna come from? Open. Hide. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm alright. Okay, this is good. Very good start. I'm gonna... hopefully I don't die this one because I know how to play. I'm a pretty good player. Yeah, I'm a pretty good player. Let's see it. Hello. Oh, hello. No, hey. How are you? I missed you. Hi. I wasn't... Oh, no. Yeah, you better go. Alright. Now we got a gnome. I'm gonna wait for her to go away. Hello? Okay, she's gone. Okay, I don't know. Is there... Doggy. Doggo! Doggy? Doggy! Alright, okay. Goodbye. Alright. Okay, there's no pages in here, that's for sure. Okay, I killed you. Rest in pieces.
The gnome is stealing a page. Don't just stand there, smash him!
No. I'm okay. I'm good. Ah! Oh my god, no! Hi! Fuck! Ah! I couldn't avoid that, okay? No. Oh.
You must be cuckoo to think you can ever escape. I have all the time in the world to scare you.
Somewhere in this house. Don't give up, Twist. I can't take much more of this.
Yeah, I won't give up. Don't worry. I'll do this. That was just a mistake. No.
Don't stay in one place too long. Otherwise, Fifi will start barking.
No. Not like this. Wow. Hi. Hey. Alright, I have to try to avoid that.
That long gnome is stealing a page. Don't just stand there, smash him!
Oh, I saw the arm. I see the arm. Oh, I didn't notice that before. I definitely did not notice that before. Alright, that makes a lot of sense. Oh, this closet is very illuminated. Oh, this is a pretty nice closet. Hello? Okay. Oh, no. But there's the arm to indicate... Oh, no. Oh, what? No, he was in my closet! No! Okay, fine. Alright. He was in my closet. Okay, I see that. He was in my closet.
You must be cuckoo to think you can ever escape. I have all the time in the world to scare you.
Yeah, you do. Indeed. You have all the time.
There must be more clues somewhere in...
Thank you, go away. Okay. Can you stop? Stop. Don't. You did. There's too many things. There's too many things. Not you. Not you. Not you. Not you. Not you. Oh, it's Dork. Oh, I have to wait. Hi. Hey. Hi. Welcome back to my room. Okay, I'm a bit crazy right now. Okay. You gotta love those ankles. And those legs.
Huh? What?
Die. 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 Here. Over here. There's two pages in there. No!
That lawn gnome is stealing a page. Don't just stand there. Smash him!
Off. Oh, I'm right here. Okay. I'm safe. I'm safe. I'm safe. I'm safe. I'm tucked in this corner. I'm safe. Hello? Hello? No, 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 no. Shh, 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 shh. You okay? Oh, I saw him! Oh, you do not see a thing. You do not see a thing. You do not see a thing. Oh. Hello? Ah, ah! No, 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 no. Hi. Hey. Oh, oh my God. No. No. Oh no. Not like this, 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 not like this. Not like this. Okay, page. 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 I can get the page. What do I do about the clown? What do I do about you, Chuckles? Chuckles, Jay, Chuckles. Chuckles. Okay, I got the page. Now what? Chuckles! Chuckles! Oh, I see it. I can get a getaway. I have a getaway. I have a getaway. I have a getaway. I have a getaway. Ooh, Fifi! Hey, and the lady with nice legs. Yeah! The whole party's here. Yeah! Okay, no, no, no. Where are you going? I'm not here. This is so tedious. I'm not here. I promise. Where are you going? Where's a footstep? Where's a footstep? You better not kill me. You better not kill me. I'm stuck. This is not fair. No! How is that fair? How is that fair? That's not fair. That's not fair. I had for free. That's not fair.
You must be cuckoo to think you can ever escape. I have all the time in the world to scare you.
Allow scape.
Don't stay in one place too long.
Hi. Legs. Very nice legs. Okay. Hello? Hello? It's not like this, not like this, not like this. Give it to me. Where is she coming from? Oh, there's where she's coming from. Well, bye-bye. I'm gonna go up here now. Oh, evil gnome, evil gnome! Okay. Hi. Oh. Die. They're gonna hide. Man, that clown. Well, no. No. What are you doing? She's too tall. She's very tall. She's very, very tall. Give it to me. 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 No. 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 Okay. 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 What? No. Is this page glitched? No way. I can't get the page of this game. Oh, I can't get it. Okay, alright. Alright, down I go. Hi. No. No. Hello? Okay. Hello? 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 Goodbye? I'm not doing that. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Oh God, it's dark. It's light. No! No, no, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Don't open, open. No, open. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. 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 I'm hiding in the in a bathtub. All right, let's go. Okay. Hello. Peekaboo. No. Hello. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm completely good. Completely good. Okay. Is she gone? I think she gone. Hello? Yep, she gone. Any pages? Nope, no pages, but I'll turn the light on, that's for sure. Oh, no! Chuckles. Chuckles.
There are one or more pages in this room.
Hi. Hey, you do not see anything. You never saw it. Oh, no. No, no, no. You did not see anything. I promise that. Oh, I'm so tired. Hi. Oh, no. Hi. Hey. Oh, no, 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 no. Bye. Alright. Goodbye. You turned it off. No, screw you. Die, 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 die. Die, die, die. Die. Okay. Is it in here? I don't have.
Close the door, fast!
I'm closing it. I'm closing it. I closed it. I'm good. Where is it? Where's that page? Where's that page? Where's that page? Where's that page? I don't think it's here. I've been lied. I've been lied to. No, hide, 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 hide. Hello? No, okay, I'm good, I'm good. Oh, so, okay, alright. Oh, no! No, no, no. No, 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 no. You turned the light off. Why? 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 No. Hey, hey. Go away. Leave me alone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Where shall I go? Okay. I don't think there's a page here. I hear no ding-a-ling or any of that, like the indicator. I hear none of that, so I'm gonna ignore it. No! Hey! Hey! Whoa! 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 Hey! No! 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 The basement! No! Oh! Okay. Okay. The basement. Okay.
You must be cuckoo to think you can ever escape. I have all the time in the world to scare you.
Yeah. Keep talking,
There
buddy.
must be more clues.
Ooh, Fifi has devil eyes. Fifi. Hi. Hey. Hi. Hey. Go away.
Just stand there, smash him.
No. 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 Oh. Another trucker. I think the clown's. What the fuck? No way. That's the clown. That's the clown. That's the clown. No, no. Not like this, not like this. Not like this, not like this, not like this. No, 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 no. 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 I'm not letting him trap him. I'm not letting him trap him. Turn on. Go. 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 Dude, shut the door. Shut the door. Alright. What? What? What?
There are one or more pages
He's in the
this
fridge.
room.
He's in the fridge. 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 We're gonna buy. No. No, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Die, 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 die. I'm tapping. Okay, okay, I'm good, I'm good. Alright. Wait. Wait. No. Wait, wait, wait. That page spawned in here. What? It's the same place? Same place? Not same place? Hello? No. Hello? Okay, I got it, I got it. One more page to go, one more page to go, one more page to go. One more page to go, one more page to go, one more page to go. I'm good, I'm alright, I'm good, okay. Hello? No. 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 One more page to go, one more page to go. One more page to go. One more page to go. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Back, 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 back. On. Hide. Hide. Hi. No. Oh my god, no. Hello? The basement. Hello? 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 Die, die. Okay, it's one. Oh, that's it, that's it, that's it. What's the clock?
The cuckoo clock of doom. Do you know what this means?
What?
You don't? You should go read the book right now. It's my all-time favorite. I know I kind of lost it for a moment, but you can do this. Capture him in the book. Just one more time.
If I could get the last page. No, die. No, can I get the... No, wait, 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 wait. No, wait, no, not like this, not like this, not like this. Got all 8 pages. No. No. Die, 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 die. Where is he? Where is it? Where is it? Hello? No. Dead end? This is dead end. This is dead end. This is a maze. No, no. No. Get away, get away, get away. No, no. No, no, no. Wait. Oh, that's so cool. Goodbye. No. Hi? Hello? Up? I don't think I can go up. I can't go up. I can't go up. What does this mean? No. No, 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 no. I can't go up. I can't. I can't go up. Hello? Is there anything back here? No? Well, that was pointless. Die. 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 Oh, there's the way out. Oh, no, wait, wait, wait. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Die. Die. Okay, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Up.
Don't move, Stein.
You've completed the book. Now find Slappy and open the book on him.
Hi.
Just make sure the lights are on when you go after Slappy.
I'll be back.
What did I get?
I'll be back.
No! No! Okay, back up. Did everything respawn?
See you around.
Hello?
I'll be back.
No.
See you around. See you around.
No, no, no.
I'll be back.
No! No, get back here, get back here, get back here. Get your ass back here. Get your ass back here right now.
See you around.
Get your ass back here right now.
You're gonna try and
Thank you!
That hook. That's not gonna
Get screwed! They get wrecked. Get so wrecked. Get wrecked. And Twist slammed the book shut, trapping Slappy forever and ending a night of darkness. R.L. Stein transformed back into a writer, and Twist went away, somewhere safe and far away. The end. Or so he thought. There were still 4 books missing. What does that mean?
You're nothing without me, Stein.
No.
In fact, we don't need you anymore.
What? Ooh. Ooh, you're a tree. You're.
Slappy, he didn't even read the book. What a dummy. The clock doesn't just repeat the day over and over again. It makes you age backwards.
Oh, all right. So he turned to a...
Yes. Ha ha ha. It's been an honor working with you, Twist.
Yeah, man, you too.
Let's immortalize our story in my new book.
Yes, sir.
We'll call it The Night of Scares.
I got you. Am I done? I've done it. I've done it. Oh. There's a bonus chapter. There's a bonus chapter. There's a bonus chapter. Oh. Well, alright. Okay, well, I guess I've done the entire game then. I've done the entire game. Okay, well, great game. Good stuff. For a cheap, what can I say? What can I say? Can you let me talk? I can't talk. I can't talk. Okay, wait, can I just... Alright, okay. Well, it looks like I'm going to end this episode here. Well, thank you. Well, my thoughts about the game. My thoughts. Great game. I don't know how to describe it. Like, for your typical, like, free to download horror game that can play VR, it's pretty cool. Like, I've tried VR a few days ago, and it's awesome, and the graphics are pretty good for what it is, and it did definitely scare me, for sure. Well, anyways, it was a fun game. Definitely got me. Definitely scared me once. That's for sure. Especially with the clown. That stuff is crazy. But yes. Anyways, that was my playthrough of Goosebumps. In probably within the next few days, I'll unlock the bonus chapter. Maybe. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, I'll unlock it and I'll play it for your guys' entertainment. And I have to say, I appreciate you all for hitting 40 subscribers. Yeah, let's go. Just as one of those it takes a bunch of small steps to get to the top, eh? It's all about those small steps. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching this, and hopefully you like and subscribe, all right? Well, take care and enjoy your day. Bye-bye. 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 Bye.